how do we solve for this equation? Okay, we are given t plus y equals to 3 and t times y equals to 3. So you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so let's first of all label the two equations. So let's call this one the first equation and this is the second equation. Now let's make one of the variables from equation 1 the subject and then substitute it into the next equation. So from equation 1, t is same as 3 minus y. So that will be the fourth equation. So let's put this in that. So 4 in 2. So that will be 3 minus y times y equals to 3. So let's expand. That will be 3y minus y squared equals to 3. So let's arrange this one. Well, that will be y squared minus 3y plus 3 equals to 0. So this one is a quadratic equation. So let's solve for y with the help of computing of squares. So we have y squared minus 3 equals to minus 3. So let's take half of coefficient of y. Okay, so and then we add the result to both sides of the equation. So we have half of minus 3. That will be minus 3 on 2 all squared. So we have y squared minus 3y plus minus 3 on 2 squared equals minus 3 plus minus 3 on 2 all squared. Okay, so from here y minus 3 on 2 all squared will be that. So we have y squared minus 3 on 2. Oh, sorry, y minus 3 on 2 all squared. Now, when we expand this, you get this one. Okay, that's the meaning. Equals to, so we have minus 3 plus, so let's square this. That would be 9 on 4. As simple as that. Now let's deal with this side. Okay, so we have minus 3 plus 9 over 4. So let's find the LCM. So 9 over 4, LCM is 4. 1 to 4 is 4. Minus 12 plus 9. So that will be minus 3 over 4 as the answer. Okay, so we have that. So from here, you can write this one as y minus 3 on 2 all squared equals that. So let's take square root on both sides. Have this and that. So that will be square root of y minus 3 on 2 all squared equals to, so plus or minus. Now you can write this one as square root of minus 3 over square root of 4. Okay, so from here, this one will cancel this. Y minus 3 on 2 equals to, so plus or minus. Now we can manipulate this one as square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 square root of 4 over 2. So we have y equals to 3 on 2 plus or minus. So we have square root of 3. Now from complex numbers, square root of -1 is the same as I. So -1 is the same as I. So in place of -1, I'll put I there. That will be I on 2. So my y is simply 3 plus or minus square root of 3i on 2. Okay, that is for y. It means we have two solutions for y, and we have to look for the x values. Okay, so when y is 3 plus root 3i on 2, what is x? So let's use any of this. Sorry, what is t? Not x. It's t and y. Okay, so we are done with y. Left with t. So t is equals to that. So let's pick this, the first one. So t will be 3 minus. So we have 3 plus with 3i on 2. Okay, so we have this. So let's make this side over 1, then find the LCM. Okay, so the LCM here will be 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so minus, so 2 into 2 is 1. So we have 3 plus square root of 3i. So that will be t equals 6 minus 3 minus square root of 3i on 2. So my t will be 3 minus root 3i on 2. So I think the answers, it looks symmetrical. Okay, so this side, when this side is plus, this side is minus. It means when we pick the negative side of y, the t will also be plus. Now let's show it and see if the result will be true. Now we are done with when y equals 3 plus. Let's look at the opposite. When y equals to 3 minus root 3 I on 2. So let's put it here. So t equals to 3 minus. So t equals to 3 minus. So we have 3 minus 3i on 2. So the LCM was still the same. LCM will be 2. So 6 minus that. Okay. 3 minus 3. 5. So 6 minus 3 plus 3i over 2. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. So I said it. It's symmetrical. So we have t equals to 3 plus 3i on 2. So when this side is minus, this side will be plus. And when this side is minus, this side will be plus. So that's that. All right. So follow for more or subscribe for more.